All right, guys, Tony Fogel with Fogel & Sons Electric here. Today we have the classic tale of too much stuff going on in the kitchen. We got the crock pot, we got the air fryer, and we got the toaster. All small appliances that do draw a hefty load, as you will see. We measure it in amps, right? So you have two small appliance circuits in the kitchen at 20 amps each. So we're going to flip these over, check out the nameplates, see what this crock pot's pulling, right? So we have 260 watts right here, divided by 120 volts. I got your little Ohm's law table just to see that power is expressed in watts. We're going to divide the wattage by the voltage, 260 watts, divided by 120 volts. That's only going to give us about 2.2 amps. That's not bad, right, on a 20 amp circuit. But now we're going to go to this air fryer. We're going to see that we have 1,700 watts right here, divided by 120 volts. That's going to end up giving us 14.167 amps. That's pretty hefty on a 20 amp circuit. That's about maxing it out. Now, toaster, 1,400 watts, divide that by 120 volts. It's 11.67 amps. That's if you round everything up, that's almost 28 amps. As you can see here, if you add all the wattages up, 3360 divided by 120 volts, you got about 28 amps. Right, so we're going to check out our amp meter right here, pulling about 26.6, 26.7. It's going to end up tripping the breaker, as you see there. So breaker's tripped. We're going to go out to the panel, and we're going to try to see which one it is. So you're going to see a kitchen receptacles label, right? You're going to see two breakers labeled kitchen receptacles, 20 amp breakers. You see the one in the middle that's tripped right here. If it's in the middle, that means it's tripped. All right, got you a little diagram of how this particular house, the circuits are split up on this house. So we're going to find the other circuit with power, right? So we're not going to have this diagram every time we're troubleshooting. So we're going to plug around in the kitchen until we find one. You see the light on it, give it a little sniff. Definitely make sure it has power. You can tell by the light, not the sniff. Right, so we're going to go back out. We're going to try to reset the breaker that tripped. Make sure it's not pulling too much right now. So first we're going to turn it off, going to turn it back on. Looks like it's holding. We can now go enjoy Thanksgiving with our family. So if you ever have this issue, try to split the circuits if you can in the kitchen, move some stuff around. If it doesn't work, give us a call, shoot us an email, and we'll set you up an appointment.